Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team per Diamond to learn how to ping the search engines. If you have updated your website, posted a new content, new page, new post, and if you have some backlinks you want to index quickly in the Google search engine, so you have to tell the search engine that, hey Google, I have updated. So for this purpose, I'm using this website, ping my URLs, Google. Okay, for this purpose, use this website. Here I am using, for example, my website is for education, and here's my URL. Paste this URL here and ping now. So I want to include all 50 plus search engines, Google, Yandex, Bing. Okay, start processing. Here you can see it's pinging the web page and to all blog search URLs. So as a result, Google crawler will visit my website and crawl the pages, and my indexing will improve and my ranking will improve. So you can also ping the pages where you have made the backlinks. So with this method, you can quickly index your backlinks into the Google and quickly get the results and get their effects. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.